What's up, guys? We are doing random number 4 for one briefcase of Flawless. Going live. Timestamp is 10:13. Already got the teams and the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 4 exactly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Titans on top. There should only be 30, and there is, so that's good. ZOCLUY is the code for the teams. Moving on to the names. Again, 4 or more. 9 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Merle on top, Todd on the bottom. EMHYTY is the code. Again, guys, wherever you line up, that's who you have. Boom, there you go. And we are done. William Kessler. 10-14, guys. Thanks. Good luck.